One of my clients' biggest money burners they find on site is having their water trucks under the fill point for an extended amount of time, just idling, waiting to be filled. Transferring high volumes of water into water carts is one of the major challenges my clients face on a day-to-day basis. Here we have our Remco standpipe products, used for high volume water transfer for filling large water carts, commonly seen in the mining, civil construction and quarrying industries. Allflo have identified these bottlenecks. That's why we've engineered a series of packages which are built tough to withstand the conditions that these products are faced with on a daily basis. Allflo have carefully engineered a range of different offerings when it comes to standpipes. In front of us here, we've got our 150mm standpipe. We've got a range from 4" up to 12". These can all be mounted in a package from 4 to 6 to 8 to 12. So you've got your suction hoses, your discharge, your standpipe and your diesel set, whatever your needs may be.